In 2026, the biggest threat to your business is fragmented data scattered across 10 different apps that don't even communicate with each other. To scale at enterprise level, you need a single central brain that connects every tool in your stack into one unified source of truth. Today, we're going to look at how the Bittrex24 API and marketplace transform your CRM into a data powerhouse, eliminating silos and automating your entire ecosystem. Let's get into it. So here we are in Bittrex24, and as you can see, there's loads you can do here. But today, let's focus on the application side for developers, because in the marketplace, if we type in REST API, we can actually install this directly onto the platform, and it'll let you connect any external software or custom-built tool straight into your workspace. This flexibility is what makes Bittrex24 a genuine business operating system, rather than just a closed-off software package. Developers can use the API to automate data synchronization between the CRM and third-party accounting, logistics, or legacy systems. This means you never have to manually enter data when transferring information between platforms. If we go to our CRM section and click on a deal here, you'll see we've got loads of information. We've got the payments, the stage, whether it's in progress or not, and we can set up all sorts of things from this drop-down menu. On top of that, all the information we have here, which we could have actually imported from outside or externally, is fully integrated into Bittrex24 thanks to this marketplace. Now, the marketplace offers instant extensibility. You can access hundreds of ready-made apps and integrations in the Bittrex24 marketplace to add specialized functionality to your workspace in seconds. It really is just plug and play with these integrations. And teams don't need to have in-house developers to build all of this themselves. From telephony and SMS providers right through to industry-specific tools, the marketplace ensures the platform evolves as your business needs change. This enables a business to stay at the forefront of 2026 technology without needing to change platforms. By integrating all your data strings, the Bittrex24 CRM becomes the central hub for every customer interaction and business transaction. This is absolutely crucial because you want to have clean data that every department, from sales to support, can genuinely trust and access. This unified data structure allows the built-in AI agents to deliver more accurate forecasts and deeper business intelligence insights across the board. Here, we can access different stages of certain deals within the CRM platform, and all of this can depend on specific integrations we've set up previously. Now, speaking of AI is only as effective as the data it receives, and a fully integrated CRM offers the best possible context for that AI. Here we can see different sessions and we can interact with the AI just like any other AI out there, but the advantage is that it's built directly into your CRM platform when you use Bittrex24. So stop letting your data exist in silos and start creating a unified ecosystem. Click the link in the description to activate your 15-day free trial with Bittrex24 and explore the marketplace and API for yourself today. That's all for me. I'll see you all in the next video.